In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank details in Zoho Books. Whether you're setting up your financials for the first time or looking to streamline your accounting process, adding your bank information in Zoho Books is a straightforward task that can really enhance your financial management with accurate tracking of your transactions. To get started, navigate to the Banking module. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. This module is where the magic happens, allowing you to manage all your accounts and transactions efficiently. Once you've located it, you'll see an option in the top right corner that says Add Bank or Credit Card. Click on that, and you'll be on your way to linking your bank account to Zoho Books. Now, you'll be prompted to search for your bank. Go ahead and type the name of your bank into the search bar, and then select it from the list that appears. Zoho Books works with a wide range of banks, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding yours. After selecting your bank, you'll need to choose a service provider. Two commonly used options are Yodlee and Token. These providers enable a secure connection between Zoho Books and your bank, ensuring your data is transferred safely. The next step is to enter your bank login credentials. Make sure you have these details handy, as you'll need to provide your username and password to establish the connection. This step is crucial, as it authorizes Zoho Books to fetch your banking data automatically. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll have the opportunity to select the specific bank account you wish to link to Zoho Books. It's important to choose the correct account here, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After selecting the account, you'll also need to specify the date range you'd like to import transactions from. Zoho Books allows you to bring in data from up to the last 90 days, giving you flexibility and control over the historical transactions you want to monitor. Additionally, ensure that the correct currency is selected to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. With all the information filled in, click Continue to complete the connection process. Zoho Books will now begin to connect with your bank and import the selected historical transactions. This feature not only saves you time by automating the process, but also increases accuracy by reducing manual entry errors. And there you have it. Your bank details are now successfully added in Zoho Books, paving the way for seamless financial management. This integration is a powerful tool that will help you keep track of your finances effortlessly, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy accounting.